Okay, these buttons are called the seat control panel buttons. I'm going to come back to this first one just a little bit later. The second one is called tilt, and I'll show you a little bit later how that works. This one is called recline, and this is for the leg rests. So we've got tilt, recline, and leg rests. Okay, the second button that I mentioned is tilt, and you go up and down there. So I'll show you how that works. I'm going to press the button, the bottom part of it, and that tilts the chair. And this is how Elizabeth sometimes likes to take a nap. And then I press the top of it, and it lowers the chair. Okay, the third set of buttons from the left is the recline. I'm going to push this button, the bottom button, and you'll see how the back of the seat moves backward. Not the whole seat, just the back. And I'll take it all the way back. It'd be pretty rare that you would actually use this, but show you how it works. Okay, then I press the top button, still of that third set of buttons from the left, the top one, to bring it back. Just like that. We're almost all the way back. Okay? Okay, this fourth set of buttons from the left are actually the ones farthest here on the right side. Controls the leg rest, which are down here. And so, press this button, the top button moves the leg rest out, as you can see. Down here, the leg rests are coming out. And it'd be really rare that you would ever use it that far or extend them that far, but they will go that far. And then I press the bottom button to bring them back. Usually Elizabeth's legs would go out just a little bit, maybe like right now. Okay, I mentioned earlier this first set of buttons that is rarely used, but it's good to know what it is. It's the elevator for the seat, so it moves the seat vertically up. You press the top button, and as you see, the seat comes up like this. So maybe like if you're at in an auditorium and you're trying to see what's on stage, perhaps Elizabeth would be elevated. Otherwise, that button is not going to be used very much. It probably is going to create more problems than anything, because then she'll not be able to get up underneath tables. So in general, this should be all the way down, which I'm going to show you. But at least the chair does have that capability. So I'm going to bring it all the way back down to where it's just going to be kept. Okay? And so some of these functions can be used in conjunction with each other. For example, to relieve pressure on Elizabeth's back. And so she can be positioned in different ways. So for example, can tilt the chair back and then recline the seat back, and then perhaps extend the footrests. So there are all sorts of different combinations on this that can be used. Okay, so to review these four functions, this is the seat elevator that I just showed you that is not used very much. This is the tilt, This is the recline, and these are the footrests.